Oh, hey, come on in. What's up, everybody? It's Katie here, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we are making a simple stuffed pepper recipe with a lime avocado cilantro sauce to top it on off. I'm actually making them mini peppers, as you guys can see here, because first and foremost, you guys can make them, a regular pepper size, but these are great for not only an appetizer, they're great for a game day. If you want to bring them, as a side as well, they're so yummy, and I just find anything mini and bite-sized just 10 times better. If you know, you know. First things first, I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees, and what I've started to do over here is just slice these mini peppers in half and then de-seed them. So I'll do a few with you guys. I actually love to keep that stem on as well, making sure I'm just kind of spreading the peppers apart just a little bit. Seeds are out to make sure you have enough room, just like that. Now, these stuffed peppers are going to be like a Southwest or Mexican inspired. Now that I have all my mini peppers de-seeded and sliced in half, put a tiny bit of olive oil. By the way, if you guys have olive oil spray, that would totally work better. But what I'm gonna do is just toss in these peppers and toss them in the olive oil just a little bit to make sure they're lightly coated with olive oil. There's no need to ever make more dishes. And then let's cook these babies on up. I'm just gonna toss these right in the oven. Just got like, whoa, ground beef. All right, now as you can see over here, we have some ground beef cooking on up. And again, I'm using my beef masher. Now, once the ground beef is almost cooked, I'm gonna toss in some frozen white corn. I love white corn in this, just to me is so much better. And I definitely do taste a difference. You don't want sweet corn in this at all. And then I'm also gonna toss in a little bit of red onion. Perfect. And then we also want to come in with some taco seasoning, of course. You gotta season up the meat and veggies. Now come on over here, let's stir this baby on up. Perfect ratio, ground beef to corn to onion right here. All right, 15 to 20 minutes later, these peppies are ready to go. These daddy peppers. Well, anyways, these peppers are ready to go. They're ready to be stuffed. Let's stuff them. Come on, get a close-up of this. We got that ground beef, Southwest blend with that white corn and red onion. We got these gorgeous mini peppers ready to be stuffed. And I'm gonna toss some cheese on top and then get to the sauce. I'm gonna make sure all these bad boys are turned over because we put them in the oven. They're so much easier to stuff. They're a little bit more nimble. Then easy peasy. Just take the ground beef mixture and put them right in there. And then we're gonna top these bad boys with a little bit of cheese. And these are going back in the oven. Now, while the peppers are back in the oven, we are gonna be making the cilantro sauce. Now, honestly, you can skip this part, but I highly suggest not, because this really ties it all together. I'm such a sauce girl. Like everything I do, I need a sauce. I need a sauce with pizza, I need ranch. You know what I mean? If you're not a sauce person, I don't really know if we could be friends. I'm kidding. Not really. Usually with sauces, I like to add a little bit of mayo or sour cream, but we are just doing this fully with Greek yogurt because we healthify things, okay? Gorgeous. It's not a 10 out of 10 avocado, but I'm gonna put half of the avocado in. As you can see, it's kind of browning a little bit, but you know what? It still tastes delicious. And this is gonna really add that creaminess. So that's why I'm not doing any mayo or sour cream, because the creaminess level really comes from the avocado. Then a little bit of lime, of course. I love lime in sauces. Oh my goodness, it really just ties it all together. Then we need some onion powder and a little bit of garlic powder. Just trust me on this, just a tiny bit. I know I'm being lazy about not fresh garlic, but then we have some salt, of course, tiny bit of olive oil, about a tablespoon, and then the main ingredient, the superstar, cilantro. Now, my husband's not a fan of cilantro. Honestly, I don't even love cilantro, but at the same time, cilantro in sauce when it's blended is for some reason just like different to me. I love Greek yogurt. I just did tiniest splash of water, and look at that. We're gonna blend it on up. I don't want it too blended, by the way, just a little. She's gorgeous. Look at that. Thick, creamy, and also, if you guys don't already, I feel like you all follow me that I always mix out my Greek yogurt for sour cream. Look how thick and creamy that is. Oh my goodness, and it tastes so tangy because the lime. Gorgeous, gorgeous dipping sauce for our stuffed peppers. Just to top it up, we gotta add some cilantro for that garnish. Look at that. All right, and now let's go grab the peppers out of the oven. It's time. It's stuffed pepper time. Holy moly. You gotta get a close-up of this because, I mean, are you kidding me? I left it in long enough as well for the cheese to just crisp up on the sides right there. Let's frickin' go. My work here is done. Good night. This is the end of Come On In. I've done it all. I'm kidding. All right, let's go in for that cheese pull. Oh yeah. Oh, also, garnish with a little bit more cilantro for that greenery. Gorgeous, darling. And then, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dip it. Because when I dip, you dip. All right. Straight into the sauce. Look at that. Look how cute that is. This is why I don't like a large stuffed pepper. I like it mini so I can dip. Look at that dip right there, y'all. Just like so nice and so creamy and so good. Here we go. Wait, you're gonna die over the sauce. This is so freaking good. The fact that it's avocado and Greek yogurt, this is crazy. Like no mayo, no sour cream, totally healthified. Wow. 10 out of 10. I hope you guys try this recipe and love it. And I will see you guys next week for Come On In. Yay, bye.